open, bones in sight. Pilot drill spins, torque feeling right. Parallel pins keep my angulation true. Bone graft maybe, let's check that view.
Tapered straight, what's your pick? Platform switching, internal hex click. RPM low, irrigation flow. Place that fixture deep, now let's roll.
It's the Implant Jam, torque it down. Wrench in hand, let's crown this crown. From fixture to abutment, scan that scan. We're building smiles across the land. Analog in, impression tray set. Closed tray or open, haven't decided yet. Titanium roots in a bony bed. We restore the future, enough said. Fixtures osseo-stable and strong. Time to pick the parts and move along. Healing cap or temp abutment cap. Let it heal, no pressure gap. Scan body in or traditional touch. Impression copings, yeah, I use both as such. Lab's got the analog pouring with care. Working model built, accuracy rare. It's the Implant Jam, torque the torque. Ratchet clicks like a dental dork. Pick your driver, short or long. Straight line access, sing that song. Implant kit with drills in rows. Each one matters as the sequence goes. Guide sleeve snug, drill stop on. Precision's how new roots are born. From impression to CAD, then zircon crown. Centered and polished, never backing down. Lab tech's magic, dentist plan. Teamwork, baby, we've got a brand. Cement, retain, or screw in tight. Past that torque wrench feels just right. Check occlusion, bite is fine. Another smile saved in record time. It's the Implant Jam, let's celebrate. From the healing phase to the final plate, it's